scary sounds.
Hey guys, it's me, we are here.
Hey,
Today
bro.
I'm playing Scary Monkey
I don't
Horror.
like it.
I mean, Fun Monkey Horror 2. I never played the first game.
500 crystals. What cost?
Why exactly?
What cost 500?
Why exactly?
Body cosmetics.
Why exactly?
Bruh!
It was very glitchy. And when I say very
Guys,
glitchy,
this is-
I mean very glitchy. So let's check out the new games. So here's some shots.
Bro, come on, bro. Actually, so. Oh, excuse me. What the?
Okay.
Bro, I think he broke his neck.
Oh yeah, I actually need to talk way louder. Like the last time I
Bro, what?
looked at my
When we
video,
go down,
I could barely even hear
it still
myself.
goes down.
Yeah, there's this guy. You can turn his head all the way around. Check with the rest.
I was scared.
Skyland, Marble Slab, Rat Run, Thundertubbies, Crawl Space, Backrooms, and Blurred. Let's start off with Sky Island.
Oh, what is that goofy man, bro? Oh, but ew, but ew. Guys, he looks so mischievous, devious. Those monsters on his head. Oh, but ew. Yeah, go away. The way they just go away. But ew.
Hi there.
But ew. Hey guys, I didn't like that.
Marble Slab.
I'm gonna go with this. I don't like this. I think I know what this is. Looks kind of familiar.
He's glitched.
I'm not saying it's my name, but you know.
Rat Run. Rat Run is just speeding wall, but
Bro, I'm gonna play more later, bro. Like my headset's about to run out, bro.
But-
Like, bro.
but it's Rat. Slender Tubbies. I hate this. But I hated it in the first game, and now we're checking out in the second game. I hope they have mods in this game. I want to buy mods just like in the first game, not great. Hector? Who the heck is Hector? Who's Hector? don't want to see the jump scare. This big scare level 10. This is the back rooms. What else? Blur doesn't really make sense. It's just Pac-Man. Hey, Pac-Man. Dang, I juked out Pac-Man. I thought I could juke out that man. Do you want to do cross trace with me?
Wait.
This is big scary level 10. Dude, this guy is...
This is good. That's what I was playing.
Watch to the back rooms.
So where? Hey. So where's the monster? Did I tell you there's monsters? There's no monster. Are you stupid? He's right there. He's right there. Krampus. There's nothing there. Krampus. What the Sigma? What does the monster even look like? Smile. Boy, he's right there for me. Baby, we've told her mom's probably in a different spot from me, so let's go find him. Is there any way to go back? The others. Guys, we have to die to go to the... No, you have to die. Krampus. What is that? Krampus. Hold on, I hear the monster.
I'm getting some water.
Oh, there he is. Hey, pal. He's in there. You doing okay? Yeah, he is not doing it. Yeah, the monster's not doing okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oi. You're an idiot, Conky. Oi.
Oh, this guy's rumbling.
With people.
That's really it.
Everybody go to Skylands. Go to Skylands.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh no, I'm finishing up a recording. Oh. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have an awesome day. Peace.